Hello everyone, this is XM Physics. We're starting on the topic of electric field. I know you're excited. We'll start with a simple demonstration of electric force. This is a scotch tape. This is a tabletop. See the attraction force between them? Just kidding. They are both neutral in charge, so there's no electric force. But if I stick them together and then strip them apart, one of them has stolen electrons from the other, so they are now oppositely charged. Unlike charges attract. What do we have now? Two tapes of the same charge. See the force of repulsion? Like charges repel. On YouTube, you can see people charging things up so easily just by rubbing anything with anything, which makes me so envious because in Singapore, the air is so humid and electrostatic demonstrations are very hard to perform. So even for the simplest demonstration, we often have to resort to the Van der Graaf generator. By the way, this is charging by conduction. Here is another video of me fooling around with an aluminium foil. By the way, this is charging by induction. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract, and the cycle repeats again and again. Alright, this is XM Physics. I try to make studying physics fun. If you enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and ta-ta!